Hello everybody, how are you? Look at with me about this integration, very important question, okay? I equal integration of sec power 3x dx. Who can solve this example? Thinking with me, we can write sec power 3x dx equal sec x dot sec power 2x dx, and using integration by parts. By what? Let this function equal u and this function equal dv. Okay, u equal sec x and dv equal sec power 2x dx. Derivative about the function and integration about the function. Okay, derivative about this function, sec will be sec10, then derivative u equals sec x dot tan x dx, and integration here will be v equals sec power 2 equal p tan x. Okay, the integration about sec power 2 x dx, it will be tan x. Using the rule u multiplication by v subtract by integration v du. Here will be I equal sec x times tan x, right? Sec x dot tan x subtract by integration about tan x dot sec x dot tan x dx. Tan x times tan x, it will be tan power 2x. Okay, dx. We have here function sec. Derivative about sec will be sec10, and derivative about tan will be sec power 2. So this example we can using identity about tan power 2 equals sec power 2x minus 1, and write it here I equal sec x dot tan x subtract by integration about, write 1 minus sec power 2x, or sec power 2x minus 1 sec power 2 x minus 1, because sec power 2x equal 1 plus tan power 2x, then tan power 2x equals sec power 2x minus 1, multiplication by sec x dx. Then I equal sec x dot tan x subtract by integration, distribution here, sec power 2 or power 3x subtract by sec x dx. We call this function I here. This function I called it I, so I can cancel this and write I. Write I, and I will be moving negative I to left hand side to aid this function, will be 2i. Then 2i equals sec x tan x subtract by sec x. Sec x, we have integration of sec x dx. Okay, we can find integration about sec x. Sec x, it's meaning what? Sec x, it's meaning 1 over cosine x. You remember integration of sec x? Okay, I will tell you in small information, because the integration about sec x, it's meaning ln, we can cancel it and write ln sec x plus tan x. Why? Because sec x, such that we want to find integration about sec x dx, we must multiplication by 1 plus tan x to numerator and denominator, sec x plus tan x, multiplication by sec x plus tan x here, sec x plus tan x, because the derivative about sec will be sec10, and tan will be sec power 2. Using multiplication there, the result will be here sec power 2x plus sec x tan x. Understood? We're using distributive here. To find integration about sec x dx, we must multiplication numerator and numerator, sec x plus tan x. Okay? Then sec times sec equals sec power 2. Sec power 2 derivative by but tan, because derivative about tan equals sec power 2, and derivative about sec will be sec tan. Then we can cancel this integration and write ln. So the result will be here ln about absolute value about the numerator. So integration about sec x dx, it will be ln absolute value about tan x plus sec x. Then we can cancel this and write ln tan x subtract or plus sec x plus constant. In the integration, we want to find integration here will be I divided by 2 here. It will be I equal half of this result. So this result is integration about this question. Understood? I will explain it again for you. Okay, it's very important. Look at here. We want to find what? Integration of sec power 3 x dx. Put sec multiplication sec power 2 x dx. This function integration here, and derivative by the function will be sec tan dx, and integration by sec power 2 x, it will be tan x. Cross multiplication by u by v, subtract integration by v du, and then sec x times tan x right here, and integration of tan x times sec x tan x, it will be tan power 2 x multiplication sec x. Then integration about this function, cancel tan power 2 x, write sec power 2 x minus 1 using distributive properties here to find the result. It will be integration of sec power 2 x minus 1 multiplication by sec power 3. Sec power 3 moving here, it will be I. We put here sec power 3 x dx equal I. Then if we find the result, it will be sec power 3 x, it will be I. Moving here, it will be 2I. I moved this result here, it will be 2I. And integration about sec x, it will ln tan x sec x here. Moving here, it will be 2I divided by 2. The result will be I equal half of the result.